My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Motorcycles Wallpaper. This particular extension actually operates as a browser hijacker, and if it gets installed, it amends and modifies certain important browser settings. For instance, it changes the default homepage, default search engine, and even the new tab URL. When you submit some search queries, you would get the results by some other unfamiliar search engine. So, if this extension was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, do not tolerate it. Get rid of it. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then if you find any third-party extensions here, get rid of them. To make sure that the system is free of other threats, I recommend you to investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin examining the computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.